Today, we're making an ice cream cake using just 3 ingredients. Now first, let's put some ice cream into a bowl and heat it in a microwave. Give it a little stir and then add some chocolate bars to the melted ice cream. Melt the chocolate and mix together well. Then add 2 whole eggs to the mixture and give everything another good mix. Line your baking tray with parchment paper and pour all the chocolatey goodness in. Now put it in the oven for about 13 minutes at 200 degrees. All done.